Did yeah. Oh, great. Scary, yeah. Scaring me all the time. I didn't mean to do that. You want me to move to a browser? Where we go? What is that? Also, sorry, it's laggy. But hold on. What? No. Go get out here. Move, noobs. Alright. So this is real life. Yes. So we do that. You run. Go, 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 go. Why do all these games have like a help it? Yeah, I'm a bit like skillish. What happened?